Alright, so if you've got JPG images and want to turn them into a clean PDF file, yeah, that's super easy now. Using Smallpdf, you can convert JPG to PDF in seconds for free. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it the simple way. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see a variety of tools for working with files. Now click on JPG to PDF. This tool lets you convert images into a PDF document. Next, upload your JPG images. You can drag and drop them or select them from your device. Now arrange the images in the correct order. Just drag them into place so they appear exactly how you want. You can adjust page size, margins, and orientation if needed. This helps make your PDF look clean and professional. Now click Create PDF and wait a few seconds. Smallpdf will convert your images into a single PDF file. Once it's ready, download your PDF file. All your images will now be combined into one document. Open the file and check everything looks correct. Make sure the order and layout are exactly how you wanted. So yeah, that's how to convert JPG to PDF using Smallpdf for free in 2026. Quick, simple, and perfect for documents, photos, or sharing files.